In this video, you'll learn how to deploy your application to Netlify using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will successfully set up a Next.js project and prepare it for deployment on Netlify. To start, open PowerShell on your computer. Create a new project folder by typing mem dear men Netlify app and pressing enter. After that, navigate into your project directory by entering cd my Netlify app. This location will serve as your project root where all subsequent files and configurations will be stored. Next, initialize your Next.js project by running the command npx create next app at latest in the PowerShell window. This command sets up a new Next.js application in the current directory. When prompted, accept the default settings and choose whether to use JavaScript or TypeScript for your project. Wait for the installation process to complete. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed and system performance. Once the installation is finished, check your application locally by executing the command npm run dev. This command starts the development server. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. Make sure the app works as expected. If everything is functioning correctly, stop the server by pressing Ctrl+C in PowerShell. Now, prepare your app for Netlify using Claude Code. Start Claude by typing Claude in the PowerShell window. Once it opens, paste the following instruction. Prepare my Next.js app for deployment on Netlify. This will prompt Claude to analyze your app and suggest necessary changes. You may receive recommendations such as moving API routes to /netlify/functions, using environment variables and adding a quote netlify.tomlin quote configuration file. Apply the changes as Claude recommends, and once done, exit Claude by typing exit. To proceed, you need to install the Netlify CLI. Enter the command on pm install -g netlify clash in PowerShell. After the installation is complete, log into your Netlify account by typing Netlify login. This action will open a browser window prompting you to log into your Netlify account. Complete the login process to continue. After logging in, link your project to Netlify by executing the command Netlify init. When prompted, choose create and configure a new site. You can provide a custom site name or leave it as the auto-generated option. Select your team and press enter. This action links your local folder to your Netlify account, allowing you to deploy your application. Now it is time to build and deploy your application. Run the command netlify build followed by netlify deploy -prod. During the deployment process, Netlify will ask for the published directory. Type quote.out quote for next.js static output and wait a few minutes for the deployment to complete. Eventually, you will receive your live URL, which will look similar to a https://my-netlify-app.netlify.ap. If your app uses API keys, you can add environment variables by navigating to the Netlify dashboard, then to site settings, followed by environment, and finally on variables. Enter keys such as next_public_API_key, then rebuild and deploy using Netlify deploy-prod. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.